Hey guys, it's Mike from Urban English. I'm out for a walk here in beautiful Barranquilla. It's super hot today, but absolutely gorgeous. Guys, today's expression is a rule of thumb. A rule of thumb. Okay, so what a rule of thumb is basically a little bit of information that's really important to know. It's like a rule almost for life. And it's something that everybody just knows. For example, if you're going to go to a funeral when somebody dies, what color of clothes should you wear? Black, right? That's a rule of thumb. Another good rule of thumb is if you're going to wash clothes in the washing machine, it's a good idea to separate the whites from the blacks. If you don't do that, the colors can mix. It's a good rule of thumb. A rule of thumb. Guys, let me know in the comments below any rules of thumbs that you know. And as always, have a fantastic day.